Female. A person or animal that belongs to the sex that can give birth to young or produce eggs. The female bird is building a nest. She is the first female to lead the team. The female lion is hunting for food. Many female students attended the lecture. The female cat had kittens last week.